Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gale, here to share this month's 3 add-on kits available to coordinate with your Flavors of the Month kit. So we have a cardstock add-on, a patterned paper add-on, and an embellishment add-on. You can also check out our Shots of Life kit because it coordinates with the Flavors of the Month as well and can give you more patterned paper and embellishments. So let's dig right in and we're going to see everything that's included in this month's add-ons. The first add-on we're going to look at is the cardstock add-on. So this is perfect if you want backgrounds or mat your photos or do some die cuts or punches. So with your cardstock add-on you get 3 additional patterned papers for each one of the 4 collections. There's 2 of one color and 1 of another. For the Bella Boulevard Spell on You collection, you're going to receive 1 sheet of Desert Marigold and 2 sheets of Heidi. For the Fancy Pants Memory Lane, you're going to receive 2 sheets of Tutu Pink and a sheet of Jet Stream. And then Maggie Holmes Parasol collection is a sheet of Petunia and 2 sheets of Blue. And then for the Good Times from Pink Fresh, you're going to receive a sheet of Cranberry and 2 sheets of Aqua. So you can see how several of these collections kind of could go together looking at the cardstock and the patterned papers. Our next add-on we're going to look at is the patterned paper add-on. And for this one you got 2 additional patterned papers for each one of the 4 collections. So these are not duplicates, these are additional patterns. So for Bella Boulevard Spell on You, we have this paper with the moon and the stars on the yellow. And the back is a striped with stars and chevrons, circles, the polka dots. It's just really cute. And then you get a black and white stripe. That paper was called Broomsticks. Black and white stripe. The back is a polka dot. This one's called Candy Dots. Then from Fancy Pants Memory Lane, we have this paper called Our Flock, which is all of the birds on a craft background. The back is like a wheat stem on black. Then we have Perfect Pear, which is a wood grain, and the back is pear on that blue. For Maggie Holmes Parasol collection, we have her signature bow with all of the different colors from this collection. The back is a pink floral on that blue-green. This one called Kind Heart is a blue and it's kind of like a quilt stitch design. It's really pretty. The back is black hearts on the white. And then Pink Fresh Good Times. We have this paper Better Together, which is the leaves and the acorns. The back is a blue wallpaper print with florals. And then we have this paper, Here and Now, which is a background paper. This is perfect just to add a photo and journaling if you'd like. And the back is a diagonal grid design with purple. So one more look at your patterned paper. Just gorgeous. Just look at all that yumminess. Our final add-on is the embellishment add-on. So for Bella Boulevard Spell on You, you're going to get the 12 by 12 sticker sheet. So this has borders, an alphabet, we have word labels, little tabs, and then icons, photo corners. Just super cute, lots of options there. For Fancy Pants Memory Lane, you're going to get some of the puffy stickers. So these were the ones that I got, super cute. For Maggie Holmes Parasol, you're going to get the package of puffy stickers. So this one, you'll get the entire package. Super cute, all of the beautiful florals and little animals. And then from Pink Fresh Good Times, you're going to get half a pack of the Alpha Puffy stickers. And you can see these will match really well with all of the collections. So you can mix and match your embellishments. So one more look at your 3 add-ons. Don't forget to check out all the other individual items in the store, as well as all of the other kits. Join us on the Facebook group and the blog. We have lots of challenges. Share your work. Get to know everybody else and your fellow subscribers. And we want to thank you so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kids.